and we're at Publix and we're spying on Nate.
He's working here.
So we're about to come around the corner and we're gonna get some actual footage of the man at work.
Okay.
Be quiet, everyone.
Everyone be quiet.
Sneak around the corner.
Stop, stop. Oh, there he is. I see him. There he is. Did you see? There he is. He's working over there.
This is hilarious.
Let's get a little closer.
Okay, you go.
Okay.
No. She's not. She's being crazy.
I just got in trouble.